See, this is not actually taught in many Six Sigma courses. Okay, but then it's important to know this. Okay, how many of you are excited to know? Type ETK in the chat box if you are excited to know, because all the models are useful. Okay, that curates your thinking process. See, every model curates the thinking process. An immature professional will say, hey, this is better or this is better. No, everything is useful. All the tools are useful. All the methodologies are useful. All the frameworks are useful. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to share with you this presentation and the reference material also, if you stay for 5-10 minutes more. Okay. So this Ramler-Brechet, okay, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, okay, is a methodology that refers to a performance improvement framework. Okay, it is a performance improvement framework. If you can type PIF in the chat box, performance improvement framework. Like you saw the framework of business process reengineering, like PDA. This is PIF. Okay, great. Performance improvement framework. Fantastic. Okay, so it consists of 6 phases. Phase 0 to phase 5. It consists of 6 phases. Okay. And these two gentlemen, Gary Ramler and Alan Brechet, they were consultants and experts in the field of business process management, actually, and performance improvement. So late in the 20th century, they created a systematic approach. Systematic approach for what? For analyzing and improving organization performance. See, ultimately, everything is for GPS. What is GPS? All of you type, what is GPS? Let me see how many of you are right. What is GPS? Growth, profit, and sustainability. Okay. Growth, profit, and not the, that is the global positioning system for a business. To see whether the GPS, to find out whether the business is in the right direction, you need GPS. What is the GPS? Growth, profit, and sustainability. And that's what really we mean by performance goal. And every methodology is actually taking you towards that. Is actually taking you towards that. So this Ramler-Brechet methodology also focuses on the integration of the business process, organization structure, and human performance. Okay, in our earlier methodologies, we spoke about SSR. Those of you who remember SSR, you can type SSR in the chat box. If you remember what is the SSR that we have spoken about in our inner community, SSR. Let's see how many of you who are from the inner community here type what is SSR. Standard structures and reviews. Yogesh, give thumbs up to people who typed standard structures and reviews. Yeah. And if you see this Ramler-Brechet also, okay, this is also the process, which is the standards, and structure, which is the team with roles and responsibilities, and human performance, which is nothing but the review of their efficiencies, okay, to achieve the business goals. So, not only individual performance, but organizational context, okay. So both individual performance and organizational context is what the emphasis on the performance improvement of this model. Okay. And it approaches improvement in 6 phases. Okay. We are going to deal with the 6 phases in the upcoming Wednesday, but I'll give you the overview of the 6 phases. The phase number 0 is improvement planning. I will elaborate all that in the upcoming webinar. Project, if you stay for another 5-10 minutes, I'll share with you this presentation and the reference material. What I'm going to share 3 things. One is the complete reference material on Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, the 2 presentations, which is chapter 1 and 2. Okay. And if you're interested, you can stay. Okay. Project definition, analysis, and design is phase 2. Implementation phase 3. Management of the process phase 4, and processes turned into our daily teams is phase 5. Okay. All right. So if you found today's session interesting, useful, valuable, fantastic, awesome, please put it in the chat box.